IRS Form 8857 is the request for innocent spouse relief. If you filed a joint tax return and your spouse or former spouse understated income, claimed improper deductions, or created a tax liability you did not know about, you may be able to use this form to remove your responsibility for that tax. There are 3 types of relief: innocent spouse relief, separation of liability, and equitable relief. This form starts the process of requesting one or more of those. Part 1 asks you to identify which type of relief you are requesting by checking the appropriate box. You can request more than one type. You also provide the tax years for which you are seeking relief. The IRS will review each year separately. Part 2 collects your identifying information: your full name, current address, social security number, and information about whether you are still married to the spouse who caused the tax issue. If you have a new address, use the current one so the IRS can reach you. The remaining parts of the form ask detailed questions about your knowledge of the tax issue, your financial situation during the marriage, and why you believe relief is appropriate. Answer every question carefully and attach supporting documentation, such as divorce decrees, separate financial statements, or communications showing you did not know about the tax liability. Mail the completed form to the IRS address in the instructions. The IRS typically takes 6 months or more to process a request. They will send a preliminary determination letter and give the other spouse a chance to respond. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not tax advice.